All right, buying a Fortson on steel. Buying a Fortson on steel. Lot 48. All right, hey Hal, check that. Is the motor free? All right, right here. Take it again. About a Nixon out here. Here we get there. Nope, look tight. All right, right here. Take it again. About a Nixon out here. Here we get there. Now somebody get $1,000. I'm a pound. I'm going to get 203. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 300. I'm going to get 2 and now 3. I'm a 3 to bid. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to get 300. I'm going to get 2 and now 3 to bid. And even to do it. I'm a 300. I'm going to get 3 now 4 now 3 3.5. I'm a 3.5 4. I'm going to bore 100. I'm going to get 4 to bid. I'm a 3.5 and now 4. I'm going to bore 100. I'm going to get 4 to bid. I'm a 3.5 and now 4. I'm going to bore 100. I'm going to get 400. I'm going to get 4 and even to do it. I'm a 3.5 and now 4 now half. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. I'm going to bore even to get 450. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. I'm going to bore even to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 450. All in and all down now. Nope, you're not in. It's got to be 450. I got Ron on it. 400. I'm going to bore 50. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. I'm going to bore even to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 40. Even to get 4 and a half. I'm going to get 450. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. I'm going to bore even to get 450. I'm going to bore 100 and a half. And do you want to do it? I'm going to bore 450. Sold it to Ron. $400.
172.
172. 172. Now we got a scoop. Lot 49, right, Hal? Lot 49, you got a Ford scoop. All right, lot 49 right here on a scoop. Somebody get 500. I'm going to buy 100. I'm going to get 25, 30. I'm going to 25 and now $30. I'm at 25 and $30. I'm going to 25 and now 30 to bid. And do you want to do it? I'm going to 25, 30. I'm at 35, 40. I'm going to 40 down. I'm going to get 45. I'm going to 45 and do you want to do it? I'm going to 40, 45, 50. I'm going to 45, 50. I'm going to 45 and 50 down. I'm going to get 50 in a minute. I'm going to get now $60. I'm going to 50 down. I'm going to get 60 on a scoop. I'm at $50, 60 down. I'm going to get 60 down. I'm going to get 50 down. I'm going to get $60. Do you want to do 50, 60? I'm going to $50, $60. I'm going to $50 down. I'm going to get $60. Do you want to 50 now? 60 down. I'm going to get 50, 60 and all in and all done. I'm going to $50, $60. Do you want to do it? Sold it. $50 number 6. $50 number 6. Now we're up to a Ferguson 2-bottom plow. Ferguson 2-bottom plow, lot 50. All right, right here. Take it again to buy the Nixon and Darren. So I'm going to give 100, 150. I'm going to 100 and a half. I'm going to 100. I'm going to give 150 now, 250 now, 250. I'm going to do 100 and a half. I'm going to 3 and a half. I'm a 3. Do you want to get 3 and a half? I'm going to get 3. Do you want to get 350? I'm a 300 and a half. I'm a 3 and a half. And where do I get now? Do you want to get 3 and a half? I'm a 3. Do you want to get 3 and a half on a Ferguson plow? I'm a 3 and a half. 325, 350. I'm a 325, 350. I'm going to 25 and 50. I'm a 325 and 350. I'm going to 50 down. I'm going to get 50. Where now do you want to do it? I'm a 325, 350. I'm going to 50 down. I'm going to get 50. I'm a 325 and 350, 50 to bid and here and there. I'm a 325, 350. I'm going to 25 and 50 down. I'm going to get 350 here and there. And do you want to do it? I'm going to 25 and 350. Sold it to Bob Wasserman, 325. Bidder number 4. Bidder number 4. Bidder number 4. Lot 51 is a homemade 2-bottom plow. It's a Ford plow, but we put it down as homemade. There's no tag. All right, so I'm going to get $50, 75. How about a $50, 75? How about a $50 now? 75. How about a 75 and now? Do you want to do 75 at 100? How about 75? 1 to bid. How about 75 and now 1? How about a 100? I'm going to give 1 to bid. And Dick and D, you want to do it? How about a 100? I'm going to give 185. How about 75? 85. How about an 85? Ronnie, do you want to get 85? Ron? How about an 85? How about 75? 85. How about an 85? And where do you get now? Do you want to get 85? How about a 75? 85. And do you want to do it? Sold it. $75 online. 94469. 94469. 94469. All right, now you're up to a John Deere 110 lawnmower with metal fenders, 5-bolt rear end. Oh my, to give it there now. $500, $600. How about a 500 down? I'm going to get 6. 600 down. I'm going to get 500 down. I'm going to get 550 now. 600 down. I'm going to get now half. I'm at 600 and a half. I'm at 600 and a half. How did you get 600 and a half? I'm at 6 and a half. Tell Bobby you ought to be in there on it. I'm at 600 and a half. I'm at 600 and a half. I'm at 600 and a half. And do you want to do it? I'm at 600 down. I'm going to get 650. I'm at 650 now. 7 to bid. And do you want to do it? I'm at 700. I'm at 650 now. 7 to bid. I'm at 700 down. I'm going to get 7 to bid. I'm at 700 down. I'm going to get 6 and a half. And now 7 to bid. And do you want to do it? Sold it. $650. All right, buying a little compressor. Now to get here, to get there. Now so to get $500, give 2. And to get 2 and 2 to bid. Now to get $100, give 1. To get 25, 50. And to get 25, to get 50, to get 50. Now to get 35, 35, 20. To get 50, to get 35. And to get 35, 20. To get 35, to get down. To get 35, 5 to bid. Now to get 35, to get 20. To get 35. Now to get 35, to get 35, to get 25, to get 35. Sold it. $25. Number 6. Number 6. You can pull up a little bit. We got centers. I'll say the first skid of John Deere centers first. That's good right there. Variant.
I'll get this first set, get the centers. All right. Wheel centers, and to get down to do here. Give out, so to get $300, give 2. And to get 2, and take it to bid, and to get 50, 25, 50. And to get 50 for the bid, 20. The other get 50 for the bid now, don't get down 50 now, 20 to get down 50 now, 20 to get 50. I'm a 25 to get 50 for the bid to get 50 now, to get 35 to get 35 to get 25 to get 35 now, to get 35 to get 35 to get 25 to get 35, and to get 35 find the bid, sold them $25, number 6. Number 6, now I'll say your choice out of these two skids. I'll give $100 to get 50, 50, 25, 10, 20, $10, $20, and to get 20, 20, 20 to bid down, 20, give 20, 20, 20 to bid, and to get 20 down, 10 to get 20 down, to get 15, to get down, to get 15, 10, $15, and to get 15, ready to bid down, to get 15, 15, to get 15, $10, to get $15 down, to get 50, down, to get 15, sold them $10 times 2, number 6. Now I'll say a flatbed wagon and everything on it. Buying a flatbed wagon with everything on it, I'll give $500. And to get 2, and to get 2 to me, to get $100, give on, and to get 50, 20, but to get 50, I am 50, 75, now I'm going to be 75, and now 100, now 1 and a quarter, I'm with a 1 and a quarter to bid, going to be 100, now 1, JD, 100 and a quarter, I'm with a 1, you to get 1, 10, 110, and to get 1, and to get 10, 10, 1, 110, and to get 1, now, so to get 10, 10, 1, 10, now 25, to 125, and now 35, now 135, now with 135, 135, 120, to get 35, to get 120, to get 35, JD, do you want to do it? 135. I'm with the 120 to get 120, to get 30, to get 130, to get 120, to get 35, 135. I'm with the 120 to get 30, to get 35, 130, to get 1 to get down to get 30, to get 30, to get 135. Sold them $125, number 6. Now we got a New Holland 846 brown baler. All right, there now. That's good, Marianne. I'll give $1,000. I'm $1,000 down to bid. $200, 1, 2. 100 to get up to 1.5. Now 1 and a half, and 2. I'm with the 2. Now half. Now $300, sir. Now 3 and a half. Dickie 3. Now half. 3 and a half. Now 4. I'm with the 4 and a half. 4. Now for the get 54. Going to be 4 and a half, sir. 4 and a half. Now 5. And to get 5 to bid. Now to get up 5. Now 4 and a half to get up 5. Now I'm going to get up 5. Now 4 and a half to get 5. And to get half to bid. And to get 5 to bid. 4 and a half. And now to get 5, 450. Do you want to do it? 475. We'll take that. 475. I'm with the 450, 475, and you to get down to you send to get 75. Sold them $450. Bid number is.
That was a bargain. Give me a second, I got it.
223. Now you can pull up. That'll work. I got this trailer. All right, got a trailer there. All right, there. I'll give so to get $500, give 2, and to get 2 to base, so to get $100, to get 50, 75, 25, 50, 25, 50. You want to get 50, 25, 35, 35, 50, 40, 50, and now 50, sir. $50, 50, 75, 50, 75, going to be 75, 50. Now to get 75, 50, 75. Was that a yes? 75, 50, 75. Now $75, and to get 75, 75, to get 75. Now to get 75, 50 to get on, to get 75. Now 50 to get 75, 50 to get on, to get 75. Do you want to do to get 75? Sold it $50 for the umpire number 325, 325. Now got a little Ford. Buying the Ford tractor. Well, I'll say the first one here. All right, there. To get on to do here. Give on now, so to get $500. Give on to get $200. And to get 2, take it to base. And to get now 2, give $200. Give $100. To get 50, 25, 50, 50, 75. Going to be 75. Now $100. And to give on 1 and a quarter to bid. And to get 1 and a quarter now. 1 and a quarter to bid. I'm with a 1 and a quarter. $100. Give a quarter to bid. Now 1 and a quarter. Dick, doing it there. 1 and a quarter. I'm with a 1 and a quarter to bid. $100. Give a quarter. You're down to get now quarter to bid. Going to get now quarter now. Want to get down to get quarter to bid. Sold them $100. Put them on buyer number 284. 284. We'll have the same thing here. I'll just say your choice out of the 2. Buying choice out of 2. You got on the tractors again. Give up $500, give 2. And to get 2 to bid. And to get now 2. Now give $100. Now 1 to get 50, 25, 50. And to get 50, to get 50. Now to get 50. Now 1 to get now 75. Now $100. And to get to give on 1. Now 1. Now 1. You to get 1. Now 1. You to do it, Dick. Now 1. And to get 85. 85. Send it down to get 85. And to get 50 to get 75. To get 85. To get 85. Now 75. $75 and 85. And $75, 85, $85. Sold him $75, number 6, times 2. I guess I can catch them 4 wagons back there, Dana, while we're here. I'll say you choice out of 4 flatbed wagons. Find choice out. I'll give $200. And then you can get down to give $100. And a guy with a big give on one time to give on $50, $75. And now 75. Choice of 4 flatbed wagons. Now $100. Now quarter, 1 1/4. You got to be 1 1/4, sir. 100 now half. I would 1 1/2, 1 1/4. Have it a bid, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. I would 1 1/2 at 75. 175. Now 2, 2, now a quarter. 2 to get now quarter. To get now half. 2 1/2. I would 2 1/4, 2 1/2 and 75. 275 and now 75. 250, 75. 250, 275. JD, you want it there? 75. I would 250, 275. I would 250, 275. Nicky on back in. 75, 275, 250 now 75, 275. Sold him $250. Number is, yeah, it takes the first one there.
This one right here?
Yeah, takes that one. What's your bid number, sir? These are getting it. They're 325, isn't it?
Yeah, 325.
325. I'll say a choice out of 3. 50, $75. 50, 75, 50, 75. That's good, Marianne. 50, $75. And it goes 75 down. Then it goes 75 now. 50, $75. 50, 75, and do what it do. 75 and 75. All right, 50, 75, 75, 75, and now 100. Got to be 100, sir, in the back. Do you want to give 85, $85? Now 100. Now $100. Now quarter. Now 1 1/4, sir. 1 1/4. I'm with the 1 1/4, quarter to bid. Now 1 down. Now quarter. Now half. 1 1/4, half. I'm with the 1 1/4 to have it a bid. 1 1/4, 1 1/2. 1 1/4, quarter. Have it a bid. 1 1/4, 1 1/2. I'm with the 1. You're back in, sir. 1 1/2. 1 1/4, 1 1/2. Sold him $125.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. This one here.
He takes that one. What's your bid number, sir?
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. 223. We got the back 2 left. That's good, Marion. We got the back 2 wagons left. $50, $75. 50, 75, 50, 75, $75. Now You got
75.
Dickie?
Yeah, 50,
Okay.
75.
No, he was a little less than that. He was 25.
Oh, 25.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. $50. 35. 20. Now 50, Dickie.
Now 50, Dickie.
40, 50. Now 50, sir. Took 40 probably. Got to be now 75. 50, 75, sir.
Now 75,
70,
Dickie.
60, Dickie.
60.
50, now 60.
60.
60, now 60.
Yes.
Now 75.
75.
And now 60, 75.
Yes.
Now 100. Now 85. 85. 75 to get 80 to get 85. 75 to get 85. 80 to get 85. Sold it. $75. 325.
Takes the metal. Takes the metal.
325 takes the metal bed.
Takes the metal bed. Yep. You got this old one right here. You got $10, Hal.
$10, $20. $10
Yes.
now 20. Now 30.
30, Dickie. It's got steel. It's got steel frames.
Steel beams. 30.
Yes.
30, 40. John, gotta be 40. 30 and now 40.
That's all right.
30 and now 40. Give it a 40. Now 40. And it get 30, 40 now. 40 now. 40. Sold it. $30. Number 6.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Got steel frames.
Yeah, that's sold. Dickie bought those. No. Got a little Cub Cadet mower.
Hey, metal.
Got metal fenders on it. Metal fenders. Oh, now you get here. Give out, so to get $500. And to have it a bit, to give 5, give 2. So to get 2, give 100. Sir, you give 100. And to have it a bit, to give on one now 25, 50. Now 50, 50, 50, 75, 50, 75. Now 100. And now 1. Now 1. You to give on. Now 1 1/4. Got to be 100 1/4 all the way out. 1 1/4. Have it 1. Now half. 1 1/2. 1 1/4. Have it a bit. 1 1/4. Now half. 1 1/4. Half. Have it 1 1/4. 1 1/2. Have it 1 1/4. So to have it a bit. 1 1/4. 1 1/2. Do you want to do 1 1/4? 1 1/2. Sold it 100 1/4. 207. 207.
How I would sell these Ford rims right here, tires and rims.
Okay. I'll sell you the first set of Ford tires and rims there.
We're gonna sell that.
Buy
right
that
there,
set
bro.
right there. Give on now, so to get $500. Give on to get $200. And to get $2 to pay. And so to get $100. Give on to get now quarter, half. 1 1/2 to get 75. 175. I'm with the 175 and 2. Buying a set. $200 gonna be 2 to get up 2 to get a quarter. And to get a quarter to bid. You want to do it, sir? $200 give a quarter. And to get 2. Dick, you want in there? 2 to quarter. 2 to get out quarter. Now to get out quarter. And to get down to get quarter. And to get 2 and a quarter to bid. To get a quarter. And to get 25. Sold it. $200. Number is, what is it? 278. 278. Thank you. I'll sell you this other tractor rim and tire right here, right in front of it. Give 50. Dickie, you get $5 for it. $5. $10. 15. Now 15. 15. 20. Got to be 20. 15 and now 20. And to get 20, 20, 20 to bin. 20 to get down 20, 20 to bin. 15, 20. And to get 20, 20, 20 to bin. 15, 20, 15 to get down 20, 20, 20 to bin. 20 down to get 15 to get 20, 20, 20 to bin. 20. Sold it. $15. Same way. 278. Now I'll just say you choice out of any rim and tire. Choice out of any of them. I mean, all three lines of them. Choice of any of them. So to get $50. Get 25. And to get $5. And to get $5. And to get $5. And to get $5. Give $5. $5 a piece. 10. Got to be 10, Dickie. $10. 7.5. 5 to get 7.5. Now 10. Now 10 to get 12.5. 10, 12, 12, 12.5. So Dickie, 10, 12.5. And to get 10, 10, 12.5. The bid was that a yes. 12, 12, 12.5. To get 12.5. To get 12.5. To get now 15. Now 15. I'm going to 15. 15. Do you want to do it? To get now 17.5. And down to get 17.5. Down to get 17.5. Down to get 17.5. I am 15, 17.5. Sold them $15. $325. You want all four of them? Times 4 of the. What are they, like trailer house rims and tires? Yeah, house trailer rims and tires. I'll say your choice out of any of them again. Get 25, maybe get $5. And to get 5, maybe get 2. Maybe get $2. $2. Maybe give $2 a piece. Maybe give $1 a piece. Maybe give $1 a piece. Okay, you can pull up, Marianne. Oh, now I'll say all three of the tractor tires for one money. Buying all three of them. You to get $50. And to get 50, to get 25. And to get $5 for them, get 5. And to get 5, 5, 10, 10. But to get down 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, 10. 10 to get 15, and now 15, 20. And to get 20, 20, 20 to bid. To get down, to get 20, 20, 20 to bid. Now 20, give 20, 20. Get to be 20, man. $20, 15, 20. And now all three of them, $20. Was that a yes to me? $20, 15, 20. And to get 20, 20, 20 to bid. Now 20, 15 to get down 20. Do you want to do it, guys? $20. And to get 20, 20. Now 5, 20. So to get 5. And to get have it a bid to get down 30, 30 to bid. 20 to get down 30, 20 to get down 30, 30 to bid. 25 and $30. Do you want to do to get 30? And to get 30, 30, 30 to bid. 20 to get down 30 down. To get 30, 30 to bid. 25 and 30 to get down. To get 30, 30, 30 to bid. 20 to get 30 down. To get 30. Sold it. $25. Put them on buyer number 323. Is that right? 323. Now we got this flatbed wagon. Buying a flatbed wagon and a shovel on top. Buying it all, so to give $100, give 50, 25, 50, 50, 75. Now 100, sir. Now 100, sir. 100 and a quarter, Dickie. One and a good bed on top of it. 1 and a quarter. Out with the one and a quarter to bed. To get a quarter, need to give on to 10. And to give on 10 to bed, to get 10, 10, 10, 10. 1 to get 10 to bed, 1 to get down 10, 10, down to get 10. And to give on 10, 10, 110. Sold it $100. 325, 325. Oh, you can pull on up. Now we got a trailer with spoke rims. That's good. I'll give $500 to get 2. Metal trailer. You're gonna get $200, get 50, $75. 50, 75. You're gonna get 75. 50, 75. Gonna get 75. Now 100. 100 and a quarter. Now half. Dickie 1.5. 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. I'm with the 1 and a quarter, so the guy with a bid, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. I'm with the 1 to get down quarter down, to get down quarter now half. 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. I'm with the 1 and a quarter, so the guy with a bid, to get 1 and a half. 1 and a quarter, quarter, half of the bid. 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half, and 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. Sold at 100 and a quarter, 325, 325. What do we got? A Fordson?
Yeah, Fordson now.
Oh, I'm buying a Fordson parts tractor. That's good. Oh, now here now, so to get $500, to get 2, to get a 5, give $200. And to get 2 to be, so to get $100, give on 25, 50. And to get 50, 75, gotta be 75, 50, 75, 75 at 100. Then to get 1 and a quarter. I'm with a 1 and a quarter, quarter, to get a half, 1 and a half, 1 and a quarter, half, 1 and a half GD. Now 75, 175. I'm with a 150, 175, and I'm do 175, 160. 150, 60. I'm with the 150, 160, 150, 60. I'm with the 150, 160, 160. Do you want to do it? 160?
160, Dick.
160, 150, 160. Sold at $150. 284, 284. Now we got a crawler. Got a John Deere crawler. How about a John Deere crawler?
Hey, I thought it was a 1010, and somebody told me it wasn't. I looked all over this damn thing for a tag, and I can't
find a tag on it?
No. I think it's a 40. Okay.
All right, sir. John Deere crawler. Buying a crawler here. I'll give out, so to give $1,000. Give $500. And to have it a bit. $100. Now $2. $100. Give $2. And to give on one. And to get 1.5. And now 2. Right beside you. Get to be 2, 2, 2, 2. Now half. 2 and half. And now 3. And to get 3, 3, and 3 to bid. Now 3, sir. Now 3.5. And to get 3.5. Now 4. Now you got to be 4, sir. 400, you get 375. 350, 375. I'm a 3.5, nitty 70, nitty 70, have it a bit, nitty 75. Now, so nitty 75, 350, 375, and nitty get down 4. And to get 4, now quarter, $400, give a quarter, now half, 4 to have it, 75, 4, 70, nitty 5. And to get have it a bit, nitty 5, 5, and now 5, $500, give it down 5, 5, and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 5, 5, 5 and a quarter, sir. And now half, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a have it a bit, now have it 75, 5, 75, 550, 75. I'm at a 550, 575, and even do 550, 575, 575, 550, 75. I'm at a 550 to get 75, 550, 575, and to get 75, 550, 575, and to get down to the 75, and then to get 75, 575. Sold it. $550, number 22.